Hello, North Shore. I'm here to tell you to donate food to the canned food drive. Because when you donate food, it makes a statement. Like this clip. Elephant!
Hey, did you hear someone getting attacked by an elephant?
Dude, an elephant, are you stupid? It's not like there's gonna be one that walks around the corner and chases down the halls, trying to do crazy things to it. Alright, dude, if I don't think I can even get a freaking school out of it. What do you think you do?
Elephant. Sweet Colonel Sender's pygmy goats on a farm.
Wait, what? Alright. Hey, Eric, wait up! Oh, I don't know it!
I think I lost the elephant. What was that noise? Huh? Donate food to the canned food drive? Freak!
Nothing says donate food like a 12,000-pound elephant.
Who are you?